Hello everyone, welcome back to ON Code channel. My name is Omar. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. In the series of making product card with HTML and CSS, I am going to add more details to the footer. And if you did not see the previous video, don't forget to click on the above right corner link. At first I am going to add two divs to the footer div, and their classes will be first and second. And into the first footer div I'm going to add two divs by the class name of footer image. Into the first footer image I'm going to add an image, and the class of this image will be first image. And I'm going to copy the first image and style it from the styles.css. I'm going to refresh the page and it will look like this. The image is too small and I'm going to customize it from style.css. It will look like this. And I'm going to add more images to the footer. I think these images are need to have margins and paddings. And I'm going to add these styles to the footer. And I am going to add more images to the footer image. Now these three small images opacity need to be 0.5 unless the first child. It will look like this. Going to make the size of them small and adding margin left of 10 pixels to them. Last thing that I am going to add to the page is a search icon and a plus to the page. I will add the class of span to the span of search icon. Take the position of absolute to the span and height of 5 pixels and a weight of auto. Height of 5 pixels will be small and I am going to add 20 pixel height to the span. Actually these styles are not for the span unless position absolute. I am going to add the class of search image to the image, adding styles of height and weight to the search image. "30 pixel high is good enough for search image. Now I am going to add 100 pixel margin left for the span. Actually 100 pixel of margin left will not be okay for the span. The last thing that I am going to add into this side in this video is a plus into the search image. And I am going to add the plus class for this. I am going to add the position of absolute for this plus and add a margin left of 300 pixels. It will not show to the page because it's behind the search image. I am going to add a z-index of 2 to the plus and increase the margin left. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Stay tuned, I will add more videos like this to this series, and good luck.